Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your TV accepts the memory card type and capacity. Check the model label or quick guide. Power the set off, then find the card slot behind a panel or on the side. Some TVs need an SD adapter for micro SD. Prepare the card. Slide the lock off, wipe contacts with a dry cloth, and ensure it's performatted to FAT32 or XFAT. Insert gently until it clicks, and make sure it's seated straight. Don't force the card. Once the card is in, power the TV on and navigate to Settings, then Storage or External Devices. This is where mounting happens. Select the inserted card from the list and choose Mount or Set as External Storage so the TV recognizes it. If the system asks to format or scan, only proceed after backing up any important files. Formatting erases data. Make sure apps or recording features are pointed to the card. Then test by playing a photo or recording a short clip to confirm read/write access. Finish by testing. Play media from the card and record a short clip to verify both reading and writing. Your TV should list storage space correctly. When removing the card later, use the on-screen eject or unmount command. If the TV lacks it, power down before pulling the card to avoid corruption. If the card is not recognized, try a different adapter or slot, reformat the card using a computer to the correct file system, and clean contacts. Also check for a TV firmware update. Sometimes compatibility is fixed there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.